If our sun suddenly turned into a magnetar, we'd all be cooked pretty quickly. Magnetars pack about 1 and 1/2 times the mass of our sun into an incredibly small space. They're tiny, super dense remnants of ancient stars that have gone supernova, and they have unimaginably powerful magnetic fields. This little star would kill everything on Earth, including you. In this video, we'll show you how life would change or end if we replaced our star with some of the most extreme objects in the universe. Some of these, surprisingly, could be better for us than the sun. Starting with a red giant, the sun really will swell up into this kind of red and hot exploding star, and it would swallow Mercury, Venus, and even Earth. It'll take 5 billion years to get there. Our sun is a G-type yellow dwarf, a main sequence star running on fusing hydrogen into helium. When it dies, it goes out with a boom, a red giant kind of boom. Replacing our star with a red giant would mean instant death for Earth, Mercury, Venus, and Earth would be obliterated. The red giant would be 200 times larger than the sun and 1,000 to 5,000 times more luminous. The oceans would boil and disappear. Earth's crust would melt and all life would burn. Even Mars would face extreme heat, vaporizing its ice caps and permafrost. Other planets further away would gradually drift away due to weakened gravity. On a scale of destruction, a red giant gets a 9 out of 10. Next, a red dwarf star. Red dwarfs are cooler and smaller. The sun would never naturally become one, but if it did, temperatures on Earth would drop drastically. Within a year, Earth would reach 73 degrees C, 100 degrees F. Only deep ocean microbes might survive. Planets might drift out of orbit because red dwarfs have less mass, causing Earth to become a rogue planet. On the destruction scale, red dwarfs rate 4 out of 10. Next, a blue star. Blue stars are extremely hot and massive. Daytime on Earth would have intense blue-white glare and overwhelming radiation. Temperatures could reach hundreds to thousands of degrees, boiling oceans and incinerating life. Even Mars would be bathed in extreme radiation. Blue stars rate 5 out of 10 on the destruction scale. Next, a neutron star. Neutron stars are born from supernova explosions. Replacing the sun with a neutron star would bring darkness to Earth. No photosynthesis means plants and life would die. Pulsars emit periodic blasts of intense high-energy radiation, causing freezing and radiation damage. Neutron stars rate 7 out of 10. Next, a magnetar. Magnetars are extremely energetic neutron stars with trillions of times stronger magnetic fields than Earth. Earth would be bathed in deadly radiation and technology would fail. The planet would freeze due to lack of sunlight, while satellites and power grids would be instantly fried. Intense auroras could appear in the sky. Magnetars rate 8 out of 10. Finally, a black hole. A sun-massed black hole wouldn't disrupt Earth's orbit, but the lack of sunlight would freeze the planet. Life would die off, and after millions of years, Earth's temperature could reach 240 degrees C, 400 degrees F. The closest black holes are far away, but their effects would be catastrophic if nearby. Black holes rate 6 out of 10.
Settings. Use appropriate media.